Morning, everyone. It's 8:28 on Tuesday, the 12th. This is your pre-opening comment. There's not a lot going on. Asia and Europe both lower, but the JOLTS number, that's the job openings, comes out this morning at 10 a.m. The 10-year is slightly lower, just under 1.6, 159.4. And we have a little bit of a surprise. Last night, the futures, after yesterday's close near the low, were down pretty hard. By about 10 o'clock last night, the S&P futures were down almost 30. Uh, but they have come back in a very strong way, especially in the last little while. 15 minutes ago, they were unchanged, and now the Dow, which was unchanged, is up 94. The S&P is up about 14, and the Nasdaq's up just under 70. So I think that I'm actually pretty surprised because I really thought that the market looked weak yesterday. Um, Southwest Airlines, which the story is actually coming out now that this is more about their vaccine mandate for their employees. The stock is up about a quarter, 51.94, up 17 cents, but um, it's down from 52 the day before yesterday. Comcast, same situation. After yesterday's down 2.5 or $3, it's now up 12 cents. But what's more important on the Comcast is the fact that the stock was substantially higher. I mean, the stock on Thursday of last week was trading at 57.96, currently trading 52. So that's a pretty hefty decline. Jamie Dimon, I don't have any idea how he figured this out, but he says the supply chain, quote, hiccup will be over next year. Shortage of ships, and besides the shortage of ships, the fact that this is more a truck driver issue, because even if they unload the ships, and there are, I believe, around 60 currently sitting off Los Angeles, and another 35, they're saying, by next month, uh, is really a problem. I don't see how he figured that, but that's what he said. The Merck came out and said that they're ready to double production of their COVID pill, and they're just waiting for an approval in order to get that started. Bank earnings start tomorrow with J.P. Morgan, so my least favorite time of the year, another earnings season, something else to screw up the steady action of the market in either direction. I wish that some of these companies would start to actually report when the market is open so that people can, take action if they so desire, instead of having to be exposed to a gap up or a gap down because they report them at 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, futures. The gold is a bit higher, up about $6, bounced off that 1750 yet again. Show you what it looks like here. Bounced off that 1750 again. Up on the day, I really need to see it up over this 1767 to call this any kind of a bottom. But we are long the GDX, the gold miners, and I'm very comfortable with that position. And it's a next month position, so I don't have to worry about the expiration on Friday of this week. Oil up 30 cents. It traded 82.18 yesterday, came all the way back down and tested 80 exactly on the head, and is now 80.17. So it's down 35 cents, but it's had a meteoric rise. Bitcoin is down 300. Ethereum down about 85, and the bonds are open again today, and we're up 19.30 seconds, so a little over half a dollar there. As I said, S&P has turned higher after being down. I mean, we have a low here of 43.17 and a last of 43.62. That's 45 points. So they were down in the neighborhood of over 30. The Dow futures showing up 78, and the NASDAQ, as I said, up about 40. In any event, it'll be an interesting day. I'd suggest being careful out there. This market is in a very tough spot. Just to give you a quick look at the general market using the S&P, we had this up strong on the day yesterday, followed by a close on the low. We are sitting right on the 100-day moving average. So we'll have to see. It looks like the 5-day is trying to turn a little lower. But, could just as easily turn up. I don't know if our buy the dips is still in effect. I'm still kind of negative about the market, but we'll see how it goes. Have a good morning, everyone. Be careful out there. Keep your position size appropriate, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We are putting out a lot of information, and you should know about it. And also hit that notification button, the little bell, so that you're notified when something does come.